Hello everyone. Today, we're tackling a common issue with the Astro A50 headset, the base station lights flashing. It can be frustrating, but don't worry. We'll go through several troubleshooting steps to get it fixed. First, let's define the problem. Flashing lights on your A50 base station usually indicate a connection issue. This could be between the headset and the base station, or the base station and your console or PC. It might also point to a firmware problem. Let's start with the basics. Make sure your A50 headset is properly docked on the base station. Ensure it's making good contact. Sometimes, simply reseating the headset can resolve the issue. Now, let's check the power connections. Verify that the USB cable is securely plugged into both the base station and your console or PC. Try using a different USB port. A faulty USB port might be the culprit. Next, we'll move on to syncing the headset and the base station. Power off both the headset and the base station. Then, hold down the Dolby button and the gain button on the headset simultaneously. While holding these buttons, power on the headset. Keep holding the buttons for about 15 to 20 seconds. This forces the headset into pairing mode. Now, dock the headset onto the base station. Hopefully, the lights will stop flashing, indicating a successful sync. If syncing doesn't work, let's consider firmware updates. Outdated firmware can cause all sorts of problems. Download the Astro Command Center software from the Astro Gaming website. Install it on your computer. Connect the base station to your computer via USB. Open the Astro Command Center. The software should detect your A50 base station. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to update the firmware. Make sure not to interrupt the update process. A power outage during the update can brick your device. Now, let's address specific console issues. If you're using an Xbox, ensure your headset is properly assigned to your profile in the Xbox settings. Sometimes, the console might not recognize the headset correctly. This causes connection problems. For PlayStation users, make sure your A50 is set as the default audio device in the PlayStation settings. Navigate to the audio output settings. Select the A50 as both the input and output device. Also, adjust the chat mix settings to your preference. Finally, if none of these steps work, a hard reset might be necessary. Locate the small reset button on the base station. It's usually on the back or bottom. Use a paperclip or similar object to press and hold the reset button for about 15 seconds. This will restore the base station to its factory settings. You'll then need to resync your headset. Remember to refer to the Astro support website for more in-depth troubleshooting. Sometimes their FAQ or community forums have specific solutions for your particular issue. Hopefully, this helped you fix your flashing A50 base station. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Consider leaving a comment if you're still facing problems. We will try to assist you.